Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Santa's workshop event in Plants vs. Brainrots game new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest Christmas update has been released and I'm going to show you how you can join the Santa's workshop event. And basically, you just need to fill the Santa's bag with a plant, certain plant, and here I got Presentello. And as I know guys that the plant for every player is different, so maybe yours is not Presentello. Okay, I need to submit the Presentello plant to Santa's bag and I will get reward after filling the Santa's bag. And to get the Presentello seed, we need to defeat Brainrots in Santa's workshop biome. So you need to activate the Santa's workshop biome first. Okay, you can go to your garden and you can activate the Santa's workshop biome right here. Okay, now the Santa's workshop biome is active and we'll be able to get the Presentello seed. And after that, we're going to submit the plant. You need to plant the seed in your garden first, and then you can move the plant from your garden and give it to the Santa's bag. Wait, let me search my Presentello. Okay, this one, and I'm going to give my plant. Okay, and I got 3 premium water buckets. Okay, and yeah, that's how you can join the Santa's workshop event in Plants vs. Brainrots game Christmas update. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!